Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how I just installed the Prime Video to my Huawei device. So it's actually very easy and how it works. You can see when I just get into Amazon Prime Video application is actually working great. So I'm gonna uninstall it and let me show you how we can install back it to my Huawei device. Open up the app store for searching Prime Video. So let me type here. Once you get the result, you can see I got the result, which is Prime Video, but it's just taking me to other server. I'm not doing that. I just go search for Gbox from the app store of Huawei device, and once you got the result, just install this application to your Huawei device and wait a few seconds until it's going to be installed. Then let me show you the next step, what you have to do to get Prime Video. So once it has been installed, open the Gbox in your Huawei device and click on agree, and after that you will see the Play Store over here. Click to open the Play Store and click on allow, and it's just going to ask me to sign in into my Gmail account. Once I just sign in my account, I'm just going to search for Prime Video from the Play Store. I'm going to install it and waiting for a second. I'll get the application ready here in my Huawei tablet, and you can see it has been installed and I got it here in my Huawei device. So here we go, it's ready. I can just sign into my Prime Video account and I can use it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Until next quick tutorial videos, bye bye my friends, peace.